In today's world, it is more important than ever to promote tolerance and acceptance. We live in a diverse society filled with people of different backgrounds, beliefs, and lifestyles. It is crucial that we learn to embrace this diversity and treat each other with respect and understanding. Tolerance means accepting others for who they are, even if they are different from us. It means recognizing that everyone has the right to their own opinions, beliefs, and ways of life. By practicing tolerance, we can create a more inclusive and harmonious society where everyone feels valued and accepted. Acceptance goes hand in hand with tolerance. It means welcoming others with open arms, regardless of their differences. When we accept others for who they are, we create a sense of belonging and unity. We show that we are willing to look beyond our own biases and prejudices and see the humanity in each and every person. Promoting tolerance and acceptance starts with each and every one of us. We must be willing to challenge our own beliefs and attitudes and be open to learning from others. We must be willing to listen to different perspectives and engage in respectful dialogue. By doing so, we can break down barriers and build bridges between people from all walks of life. It is also important to speak out against intolerance and discrimination. When we see acts of hatred or prejudice, we must not stay silent. We must stand up for what is right and defend the rights of those who are being marginalized. By speaking out against injustice, we can create a more just and equitable society for all. In conclusion, promoting tolerance and acceptance is essential for building a more inclusive and compassionate world. It is up to each and every one of us to do our part in creating a society where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Let us embrace our differences, celebrate our diversity, and work together to create a better future for all. Thank you.